Welcome to this question. We are going to answer this question on circular measure. Circular measure. Okay, we're going to answer this question on circular measure. So the question reads, in the following diagram, OAB is a sector. So OAB is a sector of a circle with center O. So this is O, center O, and this is what it's like a circle. So now in a circle, they've just come up with this sector. Okay, and let's just see 13.8 centimeter. So this AX is 13, or sorry, AO is 13 and OB is what? 13. Then AX is perpendicular, this one is perpendicular, cutting the line at 90 degrees. So this is what? Perpendicular. AX is perpendicular to OB, at X there. Angle AOB is 0.84. So this is 0.484, sorry, in Lagrange. And OX is equal to 9.23. Okay, so now let's answer this question. So the first one is find the perimeter. So the perimeter of the shaded region. Second one, area of the shaded region. So now when you want to answer the perimeter of the shaded region, why they just want this part, because perimeter is the total distance around the given shape. So they just want this and the arc AB and also XB. That's what they want. That's the perimeter that we need to give them. So first thing, we'll answer, let's try to answer AX. So AX, as you can see here in this shape, there is 90 degrees. There's 90 degrees. So now when you take this AX, let's try to remove this part here. So let's try to remove this part here. Then when you talk of AX, something like this, which means you have something like this. Okay, this is your 90, which is this one. Then this is X here, and this is O, and this is A. There we have 13.8 centimeter. Then here you have 9.23. So what they want to answer is AX, which is this one here, AX. So now to answer AX, what we do, we use the Pythagoras theorem. So AX, we try by first answering AX will be, so we'll say OA squared minus OX squared. So answer like this. So now we have only, we're going to substitute here. So AX squared, there we put 13.8 squared minus, open bracket, 9.23, then squared. So then what's the answer once we do this? So this one, it is giving us 190.44 minus this one, it's giving us 85.1929. So this is what we are getting. And then apart from that, this is AX this side. So we need to find the difference here. So the difference is giving us 0.5 minus 0.52471. Then we introduce the square root, even this side the square root. Then what do we get? AX. So our AX is 10.259. So we can round off this one to the nearest two decimal places. So we are going to follow this value. So it will be AX is equal to 10.26 centimeter. So this is just the value of AX. We haven't calculated the perimeter. So this is the AX here, what you've calculated. Then apart from that, what else do we need to calculate? We need also to calculate the arc length, which is this one. So the arc length here, so we'll say arc length of AB is equal to, so the formula for the arc length is theta r, or r theta, where this is the radius and this is the angle. So say where there's this one, we put 0.84, then times 13.8. Okay, yes. So what's the answer? So when you compute this on the calculator, the answer is 11.592, which is also giving us, it is arc of AB, which is, when you round off to two decimal places, it's 11.59 centimeter. So this is what we get when we round off. Then what else? We also want the BX or XB. So now for us to find XB here, so we'll take it as XB. Okay, let me use this part on here. So let's want to find XB here, which is this one. So for us to take this one, we'll say XB is equal to, so now for us to find XB, we know that OB, we have OB minus OX, okay, because we know that OB is 13 point, OB is 13.8, then minus OX is 9.23. Okay, so now when you subtract, you find the difference here, it will give you 4.57 centimeter. So these are the values that we're going to have. So now, in order now for you to give out the final answer, you say, therefore, your perimeter is equal to AX plus AB, which is the arc here, then plus XB. So now you add, you put the values, then you add them. So AX is 10.26, then plus 11.59, then plus 4.57, 657. So once you do this, then you add. What do you get when you add? So when you add this, you get 26. You get 26.42 centimeter. So this is our perimeter that you find. So this is the shaded perimeter of this shape here. So our shaded perimeter is 26.42. so that's the answer. So now let's now find the area of the shaded part, the area of the shaded region. The next question here is to calculate the area of the shaded region, which is this part. So how are we going to calculate the area of the shaded region? So we know that here we just write the formula, which is the arc. So there is an arc here. There is an area of a sector, this sector. So area of a sector, we know that it's area of a sector, sector OAB is given by half, so 0 to half, then r squared theta. This is the area of a sector. Then we also need to find the area of this. We subtract the area of a sector from the area of a triangle, and we know when you talk of area of a triangle, which is this part. So this part, let's just use the simple one, which is half BH. So I've used this formula half BH because we've already calculated the XB, the XA. So now we are going to use these two formulas. So using these two, so we need to subtract this one, or subtract this one from area of a sector. So the small area you subtract from the big area. So what happens here, we'll say area, what we're calculating the area of the shaded region will be 1/2 r squared theta, then minus half BH. So this is what we have. Then we know when you talk of this side, it's going to be 1/2, then 13.8 s squared times theta, which is times 0.84, then minus 1/2 b, which is the base, which is 9.23 times 10 point, that was 10.26. okay, so we'll do like this, then we find the answer. So after computing this on the calculator, the answers that you have for this sector is 79.984 minus, when you compute this, you get 47.3499. So after having this, then you find the difference. So the difference there is 32.6349. Then we can round off this to the nearest whole, to the nearest 2 decimal places. So we round this to 2 decimal places. So after rounding this to 2 decimal places, the answer is 32.63. centimeter squared, because this is the area, so we need to add a square there. Then if I told you you never wanted to use this formula for the area of the triangle, you can still use this formula, which is, let me do like this, you can still use this formula, which is area is equal to, it's the area of this triangle is equal to half. Then there is this side and this side. So since there is this side, we can say there is A and there is what? B. Yeah. But here A, there B. So you can say times A dot B, so times, then sine this angle, which is theta. So you can use this formula. When you use this formula for sine, which means you are not going to include this where there is A dot B. So, but you put this side, you get what? 13.8. Then the other side, you get 9.23. Then you need to find the same answer. Thank you for viewing this content. Please